members as well. And why don't you come on in? I'll show you around.
All right.
We bought the bus a few years back. It's a 2005. It was partly converted and then we finished it all off. We got dead beds and we got our full shower here. But we don't have a real composting toilet. We just have a regular black water tank underneath. It's only 10 gallons, but it does us really well.
It's a nice use of the...
Yeah. Yeah, it fits
nice
well.
window.
We don't forget them when we leave, and a couple of green plants because everybody has to have a plant. And then we have a little dinette here that converts down to a couch or an extra day bed if one of us is feeling like we need to get away.
So you got a heater underneath here? Or?
Yeah, underneath here we have our converter. So we have 520 or 70 watts of solar on the roof. And then down here we have 4 AGM batteries. That's underneath all that. And then of course the converters at the front of the bus there for the solar. It's enough for us. We work full time in the bus. We have a translation business. So we translate documents from English to French, Mandarin, Portuguese, Spanish. We have a bunch of translators all over the place.
Dork to normal.
What's that?
The Dorkasaurus, dork to normal and vice versa.
Yeah, totally, yeah. It's still partly unfinished, but that's partly what a bus is. But it works well. All the stuff stays up here as we travel.
Skoolies are never done. They're done-ish.
No, we had a
full-size toilet here.
Yep.
Yeah, we had a saying growing up that when the house was done, you died. So basically, it's the same with the bus. You keep going. We got lots of storage space, which is nice.
Yep.
Big, nice deep drawers.
I like the
big
drawer
pantry.
pulls.
Yeah, they don't really work. By the time you open your beer, it's all fuzzed all over.
Yeah, I know. I grew up with those things, so.
Yeah. Yeah, so we try to make use of every space like everybody does. We got a couple of coolers that we use for our food storage. We have one here and then one at the back of the bus here. The idea was to have one fridge and one freezer, but we have stopped using both as fridges now. Lots of storage down here for dry goods and vegetables that don't need to be done, which is kind of nice. Got our toaster oven, which I think everybody needs at least one toaster oven. Besides that, everything's done on the 2 propanes. Extra storage back here. We got snacks and that kind of stuff for food. And then back here, we got this cool little railing that hangs all our appliances, which is kind of a nice touch. And they just stay there the whole time. Underneath the bed, we have extra storage. Right now it's got beer in it, but usually it's kind of empty. These pop up for extra stuff, and then we have a huge storage all underneath the bed as well when it converts up into a living area. So during the day, we usually turn it back into a table for working, or we have it as a couch.
Big desk.
It's kind of nice. The computer screen acts as our TV as well. So we have hotspot is what we use for our power. So we each have 40 gigs of hotspot, which is awesome. So that's enough for us to work full time and still play.
Nice.
Which is cool. We got a little office here, so we have our electronics all hang up and all our cords and all that kind of lovely stuff.
You can convert that to a bed too.
Yeah, which we've used. Yeah, we used to do these road trips on a motorcycle, the 2 of us. So a couple years ago, I told my husband we wanted to upgrade to a bus.
Yeah.
I wanted a permanent bed and a kitchen.
It's sort of nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The motorcycle is
especially
awesome.
On rainy days.
Yeah. We're from Canada, so we're escaping the clouds and the wind and the right now the 2 feet of snow at our house in BC. So we plan on doing this every year for 6 months.
Where I come from in Western New York, last weekend they had 18 inches of snow. They put pictures and I went, oh, it's pretty. I don't have to shovel it. Yeah.
Yeah, I recorded a sandstorm for my friends.
Yeah.
This is what we're dealing with. But no, she works great for us. We got to finish the floor. The flooring is underneath the bed, ready to go.
Yep.
So that's one thing we're going to do down here. And like I said, we just put the decals on a week ago, so it's still a few more things to do. But it's our home.
Very nice.
I think we're pretty happy with it.
Yeah. Now, if somebody wanted to get a hold of you for
working on all that, we do have a Facebook, Dorkasaurus. We do have Instagram. Haven't used it yet. We do have a YouTube that we may use in the future. We do have them all ready to go, but like I said, we're still only 6 weeks into our maiden voyage, so I might try to get more active on it. But yeah, so definitely Dorkasaurabus at Facebook.
And we also have a YouTube page.
Yeah, I was just saying that we haven't used it yet though.
YouTube channel.
We're hoping to get a drone in the next few weeks. Yeah. So then we'll have a little bit more fun with it. And
my drone decided I can fly it, but it doesn't connect to the phone, so I can't tell it to come home. I can't see where it is.
Sounds like a teenager.
I can fly it around and tease my cat inside the bus, but that's about all. And it's I don't know what I think I crashed it one time too many and something jiggled loose, but
yeah, they are.
I think I just haven't got bored enough to tear it apart.
Right.
So
yeah, we're hoping to get one to play with it and see how it goes. But for now, it's just.
Well, thank you for the tour.
Yeah,
I like the bus.
Thank you for stopping in.
Yeah.
It's a pleasure meeting you live.
Hope you enjoyed the tour of that latest rig. I will have a new one next Saturday. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified. So make sure you don't miss them. Lots of cool rigs coming up this year. See you down the road, my friends. Stay safe.